Hey guys, so here is your sneak peek to the lettering library. This is what your dashboard for all of your products is going to look like. You've got the lettering library, the resource library, and then the community. And so if you go ahead and click on the lettering library, that'll bring us into your dashboard for the library. So this is the bulk of your content. You can see the main dashboard here, some introductions, and then over here on the left-hand side, all of your phases and modules, and this is the part that's kind of growing month to month. Okay, we're going to go back to your content library, and I'll show you what your resource library looks like. So we'll click into there. This is jam-packed full of every iPad lettering resource that I've ever created, plus more. You can kind of get an idea by looking through here or going to my shop and seeing what things are there too. You can see even more close up all of the resources that I made in the past. Here's my iPad watercolor kit. That's been a bestseller. Yep, that's inside the library. We even have some fun coloring pages in here for you. 30-day challenges to do your palettes, over 200 pages of lettering guides, over 200 brushes. That's your resource library. So we are going to go back to your library. And last, this is your community. So inside your community, you'll find a feed where you can comment on each other's posts, give feedback, ask for feedback, ask questions from your coaches, some guidelines, community guidelines here, different topics to kind of get you started. Some of these topics are linked from one of your lessons to bring you right into here and go ahead and connect with each other. We're finding that it's a super, super supportive and encouraging community. So that's been just a lot of fun. All right, so I'm going to take you back to your library dashboard, and that's your sneak peek of the lettering library.